1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Elvis. Love the song. Burning Love. Alright, let's get to it. Standard tuning. The song is in D major. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. We got A major. 1, 2, 3. So that's the chorus for the verses. And for the chorus, we got B minor. We got a bar from A, 2nd fret. 2, 4, 4, 3. I know this is a hard chord for beginners. We got A major. G for the chorus. Basic strumming. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Oh yeah, we got a D sus too. Like in the beginning and in between verses and stuff. So from the D major, add your pinky on the 3rd fret, high E string. D, D sus. Except that bar chord. You could cheat if you want to cheat with the bar chord. You can play a B minor like this. 2nd fret A, 2nd fret G. Doesn't sound quite the same or right, but it is a B minor. Alright, cool guys. Thanks for tuning in for some Elvis. I'll see you tomorrow. Awesome. Have a great day.